The sky turns gray above this street. Raindrops fall so soft and deep. I'm standing by the window pane, thinking of you, calling your name. Time slows down, the world feels still. Every heartbeat I can't kill. In this quiet, in this rain, your memory comes back again. Rain in the afternoon washes all my dreams of you. Every drop reminds me why I still miss you when I try. Rain in the afternoon sings a song of me and you. In this lonely, tender pain, I whisper your name in the rain. Shadows dance along the road, stories we will never know. Coffee cups and fading smiles, lost somewhere in yesterday's miles. I hold on to what we were. Every laugh, every word. Though the sun is far away, your love keeps me warm today. Rain in the afternoon washes all my dreams of you. Every drop reminds me why I still miss you when I try. If someday the rain is gone and the sky is clear and strong, I'll still remember how it felt loving you, losing myself.
Gimana, Black?